It's El Dizzle. It's Firecracker Night in the Northern Territory, Darwin. Everyone letting all their crackers off. Yeah. He starts recording again, yeah. Oh, that was right next to me. Oh, yeah. Oh. Can you feel it? In your face. Yeah.
Across the water. Look over there.
Oh, wow, yeah, across the beach. Yep. Okay, Serena. Oh, yeah, look over there across that beach. Beautiful. Oh, happy Australia Day, the Northern Territory. Northern Territory. Independence Day. Australia at Darwin, D-Town. With El Dizzle represent. Party's always on the... Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
I'm going to go get the kids.
Yep.
I'll be back.
Yep. Which one's you get?
All the teenagers sitting down.
Alright. Oh yeah. How great is this beach, the one I grew up with? Oh yeah. Nightcliff Beach, Rapper Creek, El Dizzle representing. Yeah. And I love it to hell, but lighting your money on fire to make it go boom boom is amazing, but you can kind of get used to not spending it. You just look at everybody else's. I mean, stop it. Yeah. El Dizzle represent Rapper Creek, D-Town, Darwin. Independence Day, 1st of July. Let those crackers go off. Yeah. When he came here to party, we throw our hands up, everybody. Let's celebrate. Oh, I want to fall over on the ground, but that's okay. Whoa, that one got up. Whoa, I heard that one. El Dizzle party represents. I love it. Well done. ready to party? Ready to party? Throw your hands up, everybody. Let's celebrate. Where's the Crackers team? Good old Cracker Night team that I'm talking about. El Dizzle Rapid Creek represent. Came here to party, so throw your hands up, everybody. Let's celebrate. Oh, nice one. It was close. It was loud. Rub it in your face. Good for the kids, you know. Sparklies. Yeah. Oh, adults. Oh, stop it. Oh, that was on the ground. Doing the ground's not really safe, you know, but you're hoping there's nobody there.